fix recording and clipping grayed out in game bar. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 1. Modify the game DVR value. Check if you have the app capture enabled key in the game DVR folder. If it's not there, continue to the next step. Right-click anywhere in the game DVR window and choose New. Select the 32/64-bit value option from the drop-down menu. Enter App Capture Enabled in the Value Name field. Double-click on the App Capture Enabled key to set its value to 1. Close the registry editor and restart your computer. Solution 2. Reset the Xbox game bar. Solution 3. Repair ieframe.dll. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.